everyone. So I am a runner. I love running. I've been doing it for a number of years, and it's been one of my favorite ways to actually explore wherever I happen to be. And right now, I'm in Vietnam. I teach at Saigon South International School, and here in Ho Chi Minh City, we are now in the most prohibited level of lockdown that we've been in. We really can't leave the house, and so it's been really difficult to do many of the things that are part of this class. And so my habit of running, there are really two options that I've been able to do. One is to run in the courtyard of our apartment complex. We're very lucky that it's still open, and so I can go down there, put on my running shoes, and run in circles, just do laps down there. The downside is that I have to wear a mask. We also in our apartment have two balconies. And so the balconies are probably, I don't know, there's maybe 10 feet. And I have actually felt pretty good when I've just gone out there and run back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. And I don't have to wear a mask. I can look out. We have a lovely view, and it's kind of nice. And so I had the idea of coming up with some sort of way that I could measure the number of times that I've gone back and forth. And so I have this laser sensor just sitting around, like you do. And I also have a SB32 M5 stack, which is this, it's this thing. It comes with some buttons, and it has a whole bunch of things built into it. And so this afternoon, I played around with it and got it to work. And it is able to count how many times I go back and forth. It doesn't let you cheat if you wave your hand in front of it. It's actually, because of the sensor, it uses the distance to say you're going far and then close, and then far and then close. So you can't fool it, which is one of the things one of my requirements that I wanted to build in there. And so why isn't this the final version? Well, this is a prototyping tool. It's really useful. I use it for a bunch of projects, and I don't want it to be stuck into this thing that I know I'm going to be using probably for a while. So I'd like to build something new. Something with the sensor integrated, hopefully with power. I want it to be portable. I want to be able to put it somewhere, maybe even indoors, and kind of calibrate it to the space that I'm using so that I can count the number of laps. And maybe other people can use it too. So, proof of concept, not the final design. So, thanks for watching. Hope you have a great day.